Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to manage mobile data on your iPhone. So first thing you have to do is just go up on the settings, and after that you just need to take a look and focus on this first sections. In this section you just need to go click a mobile data. In the mobile data you just need to go click a mobile data option here. And after that you just need to take a look on the low data mode. Make sure that low data mode is in active mode. Active mode of low data mode will be symbolized by green color, means that this means that the low data mode is in off, so we need to turn it on so that we can set the device to control the use of our mobile data. And after that you can also minimizing the use of your mobile data by go scrolling down and decide if there are any application that you want to turn up roaming, so that you will be focusing on the application that you really need to use. So that's all the way how to manage a mobile data on your iPhone. If you find out today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.